Hey buddy, today in this video we're making oyster chicken wings in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 12 pieces of wings in the bag. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, half tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Try to squeeze out all the air. Try to make sure all the garlic and all the seasoning make contact with the chicken wings, the 12 chicken wings. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to open it back up. Next, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. You can use sherry cooking wine if you can't find this. There you go, that's 2 tablespoons. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And lastly, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to zip it up, push all the air out, and then mix everything all together. Okay, everything is mixed in nice and evenly for the 12 chicken wings. We're going to put this in the fridge overnight, and we'll be back. Hey buddy, we're back. We marinated the chicken wings overnight, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Before we do that, we're just going to spray some olive oil into the basket. There we go. Let's put in the chicken wings. Make sure they're nicely spread out. There we go. Let's put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. But before we do that, we're just going to take some oyster sauce and pour it into a bowl. There you go. And we're just going to brush some extra oyster sauce on it. There you go. Let's flip them over. Okay, we flip them all over, and let's apply a little bit extra oyster sauce. There we go. And now we're going to put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking good. Let's take them out. Okay, next we're going to check the temperature. It's above 165 degrees, and we're good. Okay, this is what we have today, oyster chicken wings made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.